Hey there, garden enthusiasts and lawn care lovers. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest gardening and lawn care tips and reviews.Now. Let's talk about the T-shaped compost spreader peat moss handle. This incredible tool is a gamicanger for planting, seeding, and spreading compost, peat moss, and manure in your garden or lawn. It's made with durable metal mesh and a sturdy handle, making it perfect for use.But. Why is this compost spreader a must-have for every gardener out there? Well, let me tell you why. First of all, it's designed to provide even and consistent spreading, ensuring that your plants and lawn receive the nutrients they need to thrive. No more uneven distribution or wasting valuable compost or manure. Furthermore, the shaped design allows for comfortable and efficient use, reducing strain on your arms and back as you work. This means you can cover larger areas without feeling the fatigue that often comes with traditional spreaders. Plus, the adjustable settings give you full control over the spreading width, so you can customize it to suit your specific needs. And the best part? This compost spreader is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy, disposable spreaders that need constant replacing. With proper care, this tool will be by your side for many gardening seasons to come. So, if you're serious about taking your gardening and lawn care to the next level, I highly recommend investing in the T-shaped compost spreader peat moss handle. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. Trust me, this is one purchase you won't regret. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.